Oh
Look at that
shit.
plate. Tell me that's not what you'd probably pay at least $12 for.
Hey, I would pay
With rice and beans,
at least
salsa.
I don't know at least $2.50 a piece for that.
Boy, I can't go. I can't,
$3?
I can't get out of it.
$3?
It's all good,
Yeah, I
man.
can.
Hey, let's just, how about this? Instead of making everyone see this moment, why don't we just share it together and we can just talk about it.
Okay.
So put down your phones.
So
This is the
I'm
big-
gonna go ahead and shut this off because y'all don't even get to see
you don't
this
get to see
shit.
this part.
Is it recording?
Whoa!
Right here, nigga. This shit right here, nigga. Cheers.
That's big time. Whoa! Whoa, that's big time. That's big time. That's big time. That's a game changer. How are we gonna keep cooking stuff that's gonna be better? Whoa!
I don't know. I don't know.
Whoa. I'll tell you what is good though, Daddy. If you just put some of this inside the green. God, like, look at it. This, in between these fibers, that's where Jesus lives. Right here. That's where Jesus lives. That's where you're gonna find him. Don't need to go on Sundays. He's right here, in between these fibers, right here. You know, my goodness gracious, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's like, I don't know, man. It's like something special, man. It got me harder than a fucking diamond in a snowstorm. God.
It's an ice storm.
Well, for me, it's a snowstorm.
Damn, that's a sexy human being.
Just
Oh, sorry, I got sidetracked when I'm high.
dip it in this.
Wee.
See this piece right here? This is a nice piece. You gotta dip it in a verde right there. You see that? Say it with me. Verde.
Verde.
You see this right here?
We got casualties. We got casualties.
This one's for Daddy Long Legs right here. Whoa, that's heavy. That is heavy, dude.
See, he's preparing. He's preparing right now for that tastiness.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh shit! Oh shit! I think he's about to have a heart attack. Oh my god! Oh god! Oh god!
Whoa.
Yeah! How you feel? How you feel, cousin? How you feel, cuz?
I need a cigarette.
Woo! What about a doobie?
We're gonna do a shot and then we're gonna have a cigarette.
Oh yeah, we gotta have a shot.
We'll be right back. Thank you very much.